DJT stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Trump media and technology stock. Yeah, 40 bucks is where we're at. 2.3%, 2.4% down last Friday. And generally speaking, I'm looking to take things up. I do have the proof of me calling this thing out, you know, bullish. And here's the proof of it. So this was like relatively made 15th of January, you know, and it really began there. This is the last video that I made on 15th of January. Like in that video, there's a proof of me calling the thing out.
Here I mentioned
when it was at 33 bucks. And generally speaking, the only thing like that I'm open to right now is just adding in even more longs as long as the rules are met. Meaning, like, this is a cool demand zone, so I'm talking like maybe pre-market is going to open gap here, and then as long as there's a proper shift, like, then literally nothing is in the way of me just still taking these longs. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.